Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today is an exciting video because finally, I finally got my Boxycharm pop-up box. I ordered this in the beginning of last month in May. I think it was like the first week of May. You buy your Boxy pop-up things. We're now in June. What's today's date? It's June 12th. And I'm just now getting my Boxy pop-up from last month. I thought it'll never get here. I know things are, a little late with shipping due to everything that's going on, but I didn't even get it last month. As a matter of fact, what was it? Was it this week? I think this week I ordered my pop-up stuff for this month. So I'm like, oh my God. As I'm ordering my stuff for this month, my add-ons for Boxycharm, I'm like,
I can't believe I'm buying more stuff and I didn't even get my box from last month yet.
But hey, beggars can't be choosers, and either way I'm still gonna buy. You guys know me already. I can't resist a good deal. So if you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. Alright, so I got this huge box today, and I was like, what is this? Because they don't put Boxycharm on a box. The box is so big that let me see if I can pick it up. Oh, this is the box. Can it even fit in the screen? I don't even think this big box could fit in the screen. It's huge. Yeah, I'm very excited for that. So I want to share with you guys what I got for my Boxy pop-up. So if you guys don't know what Boxy pop-up is, it's a way that you can get beauty products for practically up to 80% off. The stuff is like dirt cheap, which is why I love it. Now, these sales are only for people who have subscriptions with Boxycharm. So a normal person can't just log onto the website and buy stuff. If you do subscribe to Boxycharm, if you have one of these subscription boxes, you can. And at first, I never used to buy anything. But now it's like, as soon as you pick your choice, then they say, check like add-ons or something like that. And it's like, I have to just look. And then when I see something that's like, let's say it's $10 and it's on sale for like $4, I'm like, it's a no-brainer. You have to get it. So I end up buying all this stuff that I definitely don't need, but hey, this is why my name is Aisha Loves Makeup on YouTube, because I love beauty products. So with that being said, let's see what I got. So the box is too big to put on the table, so I'm just going to grab stuff from the side. So let's grab this one first. So I don't know if you guys remember, but when I did my FabFitFun unboxing, they gave me the sponge gel, I don't know what you call these, body wash infused buffers. They gave me one of these in a cocoa verbane one, and oh my goodness, that smells so good. But then I fell in love with it. I used it that same day I used it when I took a shower. And I fell in love with them. So I bought a couple of them. They were on sale on Boxycharm. So I figured I'd try other scents. So this one is in Black Orchard. I wonder if you could smell them without opening it. Let's see if you could smell it. Oh, this one doesn't smell as good. But I'm like, it was on sale, so... The Black Orchard, I can't even put a finger on what it smells like. I don't like it. I think I'll give this one as a giveaway. This is a nice little thing to have. I like them, but I just don't like the scent. I don't know if I like the scent to this. So I guess this works out for one of my lucky subscribers when I do my next giveaway. All right, let's see. So I got another scent. I love the smell of flowers. So they said this is a peony flower scent. So let's see if this one's a little bit better. If not, I'm giving this one away too. Okay, there we go. This is more like an Aisha scent. This smells like flowers. Who doesn't love the smell of flowers? Who doesn't love roses? This smells like peony flowers. Smells so good. Yes, okay, so I got a good one. But now I know not to get the Black Orchid one. These are great. I saw these were on sale. I was like, Aisha, you know what to do. You know what to do. I'm like, add. I'm trying to click everything in my box before things sell out. All right, so the next thing I bought is a Kanuka CBD Nourishing Body Cream. So I know they sell this in Macy's, but it ain't like 80% off at Macy's. So I got it from Boxycharm because it was on sale. This is a beautiful box, nice and chic. So this is the packaging. And everybody's into that whole CBD, body cream and all that other stuff. So I figured, hey, if you can't beat them, join them. And I haven't tried a lot of stuff from that. So, I was going to see if I could smell it, but my body lotion that I use, it's so like, it smells like cotton candy. It's so overbearing that it doesn't matter what I put on, I won't smell it. So I guess I can't tell you guys what it smells like. I don't know. Can you guys see this? It's like a little bee on the... It's hard to see. It's like a bee right on top of the cap. It's hard to see. Woo. Oh, you can kind of see it now a little bit. It's like a bee on a thing. The same little bee that's on the actual packaging. So I'm very excited for that. Can't wait to try that out. And this is body cream. I'm always like, oh my gosh, I just bought so much body cream from my my Ulta haul. And I tell you, I can't help myself. I really don't think I can help myself. All right, so the next thing I got is Ace Beauty. So I bought some Ace Beauty palettes one time from Boxy Pop-Up, and also I got them in my Boxy Charm boxes. I didn't know that they sell nail polish, but I love their eyeshadow palettes that I've received. But they actually sell nail stuff. So these were like 80% off. So I was like, ooh, girl, you gonna be giving your ombre look for them? It's like a purple ombre. Very excited for this. Because, I think the nail salons are starting to open back up in New York. But for the time being, I'm still going to buy my press-on nails and my acrylic nails. So these are hassle-free, really reusable luxe manicure nails. So very excited for this. Very, very excited. This is the only nail thing they had on there, but I thought this was a beautiful color, so I bought it. The next thing I bought was these masks, the Boxycharm mask. Oh, wait, I think I know why my boxes came so late. So I don't know if everybody else had this problem or not, but I actually ordered the hand sanitizers, like, from Boxycharm, and at first, I think they sent me some email saying that, my box was coming delayed because they want to make sure everything was shipped properly, I guess because of the hand sanitizers. I don't know if it was spilling in people's boxes or whatever the case may be. But then, I want to say, maybe 2 weeks ago, they sent me, an email saying, we're not going to be sending you the hand sanitizers anymore and that they're going to return the... Actually, I gotta check my bank statement because I don't think they ever sent me the return for those hand sanitizers. I never got the hand sanitizers, which was like a bummer because, we need hand sanitizers. But I bought some in my Ulta haul. I bought a whole bunch of hand sanitizers, so I'm good. But anyway, that was just a little rant about me not getting my boxes and not getting my hand sanitizer. But I'm back. Back to resume unboxing. So these are the masks that I got. And I don't know if these are approved to use because I know you have to use a certain type of mask so that way certain stuff can't penetrate, but I don't know. But these are what they look like. They don't have anything on them. I want to say when I was buying it on the site, one of these said Boxycharm on it, but the ones that I got, they don't say anything on them. They're all black. But I could have sworn, did any of you guys see this with the Boxycharm logo on it? I could have sworn it was one with the Boxycharm logo on it, and then one that was all plain black, and then one blue. curious about that. Really curious about that. But these are cute. I'm here for it. Actually, I would have preferred the all black anyway because I'm walking around with a Boxycharm mask. Like, people who don't know about Boxycharm are going to be like, what's Boxycharm? So I'm actually really excited for these. Very excited, very excited. What else did I get? What else did I buy that I didn't need? So I bought this calming I'm hemp mask from Tony Moly. You guys know I love masks, so like I said, I want to try all of this, the hype, see what the hype is with all of this hemp CBD stuff. So, because everybody's been saying it's good for the skin, so I'm like, hey, let me be the judge of that. I'll tell you if it's good for your skin or not. All right. So the next thing I got was this cute little bag, and it's supposed to be clear. This is giving me Chanel-inspired look. Looks very Chanel-ish. This is like the classic Chanel bags look just like this. Obviously not clear, but the same type of thing. So this is very cute, and it's supposed to be clear. So let's see here. Ooh, I love. Oh, they gave me a free little makeup bag. I guess if like you don't want anybody to see what's in your bag, like if you want to put a tampon or a pad, you can put that. This was cute. This was a cute idea. So you just like, you got your little secrets. You want to put your little tampon that no one else is gonna see. You put it in your little secrets bag, and then you put it in your bag like so, and then no one will even know what's in there because it's. But anyway, back to what I was saying. This bag is so cute. It says vegan leather, designed in LA by Cassery. I don't know about you guys, but this quarantine, I feel like I got so much makeup and skincare and hair care. I'm like, I'm going to come back to work a new person. They're going to be like, Aisha, you're glowing. Like your skin, your hair. I'm going to be like, I just kept getting boxes. I don't know. They just kept coming every day. Literally every day I get like 2 or 3 packages. I'm like, I don't even remember buying half of this stuff, but nevertheless, I'm happy. But speaking of having that glow up, oh wait, I got another mask. So I have 2 of them. 2 is better than 1. Speaking of that, and now I definitely didn't need this because for my FabFitFun, our add-ons, I actually bought a flat iron from FabFitFun, but that came separate from the box. They said that came from a different warehouse, so that's why I didn't show that to you guys in my FabFitFun add-ons unboxing, because it came separately, and I wasn't gonna film just one hair dryer that came like I think like 2 weeks later. I actually had forgot about it, and when it came to my house, I'm like, oh, a flat iron. But I couldn't decide, and I didn't know if this one was going to be good or the other one that I recently just purchased from FabFitFun. But the one from FabFitFun, they said it was like $200 and it was on sale for $60. And I think this was the same concept. This was like, supposedly this was like almost like $300 or something like that. And it was on sale for like $90. So for $90, this could have been yours. So first of all, you guys know I love rose gold. I love pink, that's my favorite color. But my second choice will always be rose gold, because rose gold gives you like that elegance. So I'm going to have a brush that has a rose gold tip. I'm going to have the curling iron that has the tip on the end so I don't burn my hand, and a new flat iron. Rose Gold Titanium Pro Styler, it says. Rose Gold Titanium Pro Curler, and a wet and dry unbrush. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love being a girl. Like, girls are so much fun. We get to like do our hair and our makeup, and I really love all of this stuff. So this box is giving you luxury. Look at this box, huge box. It says built for busy, built for beauty, built for you. So that's what the box looks like. And then this is what it looks like inside. So I can't wait to use my new hair products. I'm so excited. Very, very, very excited. And I like the rose gold. Like, hold on, let me see if I can take one out. Look at that. You guys see this rose gold right here? Okay, watch out, y'all. Watch out. Don't let me with no hair curling, no flat iron. Watch out. Beauty looks by Aisha. No, just joking. I just do makeup. I do not do hair. Hair is not my thing. You see me do basic hairstyles. But anyway, give me a thumbs up if you liked my unboxing. If you guys like unboxings of the Boxycharm pop-ups. This is the end of my video. That's actually everything that I bought. I'm so excited. I actually just filmed a Beauty Fix unboxing, and I knew I had this box, and I'm like, I want to film it because I want to dig in and try everything. I can't wait. I can't wait to film it the next day. So that's why I have the same outfit on as the last video. I don't wear the same things twice back to back, but you know, I just had to unbox this because I want to try everything out. So I loved everything because obviously I picked it. So yeah, that's the end of my unboxing. If you guys love my videos, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, for everyone who subscribed to me so far. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Show your girl some love.